I am Gerald Eze, a Nigerian musicologist and performing musician. I am a multi-instrumentalist, but my primary musical instrument is the Oja. The Igbo Oja is a musical instrument that talks, therefore is a speech surrogate instrument. The Igbo people believe that it speaks to the ancestors, to the spirits of the ancestors, and to God. We also use it in festivals to celebrate life and to extol people for the good things they do in the community. There are many uses of the Oja, but I am focused on interpreting it for the younger generation and taking it global. To contribute to diversity and the well-being of people all over the world. And so I'm particularly interested in translating the Oja as an instrument for the future, expressing it in choral music, expressing it in different styles such as amapiano, Afrobeat, reggae, high life, and African art music. And so I've been leading my ensemble, the Ichoku Academy, on a tour of secondary schools and art institutions across Nigeria. And Oja is the instrument with which I introduce the event because it summons people together. It speaks to their spirit and elevates them to higher planes and truth. It also leads them to dance. And generally gives them pleasant experience of music.